In today's video, we're comparing the GoPro MAX2 and the Insta360 X4 Air to help you pick the best 360 camera for your adventures. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these action cameras, make sure to check the link in the description below. The GoPro MAX2 throws down with its waterproof build that works as both a 360 and traditional action camera, while the Insta360 X4 Air fights back with an ultralight 165-gram body that you will barely notice in your pocket. The MAX2 records stunning spherical 8K video and 29MP 360 photos. Yet the X4 Air also delivers 8K 30 FPS capture, but adds that clever shoot first frame later workflow through its AI-powered app, making editing a breeze for casual users. On stabilization, the MAX2 features HyperSmooth that keeps horizons perfectly level even in rough conditions, whereas the X4 Air relies on FlowState, which is equally impressive but slightly more software dependent. And when it comes to audio, the MAX2 packs 6 microphones for immersive 360 sound, whereas the X4 Air includes a built-in wind guard that genuinely cuts down noise on windy trails. The MAX2 allows you to swap scratched lenses with easy replaceable glass caps that are also water-repelling, and the X4 Air offers its own replaceable rugged lens kit, so neither forces you to trash the whole camera after a bad drop. But honestly, the MAX2 feels more durable straight out of the box for wet and messy environments, while the X4 Air shines for travelers who prioritize weight savings and that magical invisible selfie stick effect. Both cameras deliver invisible mounting tricks where the pole vanishes from your shots. Yet the MAX2 edges ahead slightly for all-weather reliability and traditional action cam flexibility, though the X4 Air wins on portability and app-driven ease for beginners. If you want a tank-like 360 camera that survives rain, snow, and salt spray without a second thought, go with the GoPro MAX2. But if you value featherlight travel and seamless smartphone editing, the Insta360 X4 Air is a fantastic choice. Either way, the link in the description has both at unbeatable prices, so click it now and lock in your deal before stock runs out.